Hello, viewers. Welcome to the Standard 10 Subject Science. Here, we are starting the series of the videos of the Standard 10 of the Subject Science. So, let us start the series with the chapter number 1 Chemical Reactions and Equation. In this chapter, we will learn how the substance change form. That is the biggest point of this chapter, and also we will learn the reaction of chemical and the equations of chemical. First of all, we will see that what is chemical reaction in real life. Therefore, science is a subject that explains how the world around us is made of chemical reactions. Now you can see we are trapped from chemical reaction. How? Because many things around us are made of chemical reaction, and science is the subject who explains the chemical reactions. The chemical reactions are also used to explain the various processes that happened around us. Whatever the various processes are happening around us, the chemical reactions are used to explain. From rust to decomposition, chemical reactions provide a more in depth insight into how molecular interaction and changes occur. If there are changes in molecular interactions, then chemical reactions are providing the changes and the interactions of molecular. Now let's move to the chapter number 1 Chemical Reactions and Equation. Today, in this video, we are going to start our first topic of this chapter, and which is physical and chemical change. We will learn what is physical change, what is chemical change, and also will learn the difference between physical and chemical change. So, let us begin. We will understand these changes by an activity 1. So, here is the first activity. You can see on your screen the figure. First of all, we'll take one glass and we'll add the CuSO4 solution. It means the copper sulfate solution. Then we will add the iron nail in that solution. Then we will keep it for a time, for some time, and then we will observe this solution. We can get this solution. You can see the color of that solution is changed. It is of green color. And also we can observe that there is something on that iron nail, so which is Cu. It means the copper deposits on the iron nail, and the solution will become the ferrous sulfate. It means FeSO4 solution. So here is the activity. Now we will understand what we have learned from this activity. What are the chemical and physical change in this activity? So first of all, the chemical change, one or more new substances with new physical and chemical properties are formed. If we are getting one or more new substances, then we can say that we have a chemical change. In this activity, when copper sulfate reacts with iron, two new substances, the ferrous sulfate and the copper, are formed. In this activity, you can see we are getting the ferrous sulfate solution and the copper. It means two new substances with new physical and chemical properties we are getting. Therefore, we can say it is a chemical change in this activity. So, we have learned about the chemical change. Now, we will move to the physical change. Now, can you tell me what is the physical change in this activity? It is clear that there is a change in color. So we can consider as a physical change. Let us see. Change in color or state occurs but no new substance is formed. It means the no new substance is formed and there is a change in color or its state. In this activity, we have the changes of color. That's why we can see that the changes of color is a physical change in this activity. So here we have learned the chemical change and the physical change. Now we can compare the both and find the difference between them. Next, here you can see the image of the boiling water. Example, water changes to steam on boiling, but no new substance is formed. Whenever you are boiling the water, you can observe that there is no new substance. The only steam which is getting to us, even though steam and water look different. Obviously, they are different looking. When they are made to react with a piece of Na, it means we are reacting the steam and the hot water with the Na, it means a sodium, they react the same way and give the same products. If we will react the steam and the boiling water with the sodium, then we are getting the same products. So, what are the changes? So, water changes to steam on boiling. This involves only one change in state, and which is liquid to vapor. No other change, but there is a change in a state which is liquid to vapor. So, here we have learned the chemical and the physical change and their examples. In our next video, we will learn some real life situations about the chemical and physical change. Till thank you very much.